What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Good to have you all back on the channel. If you're new, welcome too. Last couple of days I've been on vacation, but I'm back again. So today, one of the cryptos I wanted to be covering, even though it's a relatively bearish day for the whole crypto market, is Stargate Finance, or STG. It's up 70% almost against the market. So that goes to show how bearish the market was today. But it's up 57% in itself, volume up to 28 million, which is great. It's not necessarily a lot compared to the market cap. It's about 40%, so that's great, but again, not exceptional. So this move all happened about 2.5 hours ago. So I wanted to cover it, see what's going on, and see what I think is going to happen. All right, so the main catalyst behind this move was their listing on Binance. All right, so that was announced 2 hours ago. A little bit before that, it rose in price. So this move is solely caused by that. All right, and there are some things you have to know about that. All right, because I have seen and covered a lot of recent listings on Coinbase and Binance. All right, for the last 7 months, definitely in the beginning when a coin got listed on Coinbase, for example, it had massive bull runs. And for Binance, the same. All right, Binance, Coinbase, two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. So when something gets listed on Binance, first of all, that's good for it fundamentally. But second of all, that also causes an unrealistic move. All right, and Stargate Finance in particular, it has quite the history. Because even though right now we're at 50 cents, our all-time high is around $4. There's 13% of the max supply in circulation. So what does that mean is that there's probably has been a lot of inflation in the price, a lot of new coins brought into circulation. That's not necessarily bad, but that is making it a less attractive investment. All right, so please, if you do want to invest in STG, do your research on the tokenomics so that you don't get inflated down to zero. But if we take a look at the price for now, what you can see is that when I did the analysis, this candle hadn't closed yet. But what I said is that if we were able to break above this 50 cents, 48 cents level, if we were able to close above that, I would also think that we could get all the way up to 58 cents. All right, but I'm kind of in a tough dilemma right now because even though I still stand by that analysis, I think that the market is as bearish as it is right now. That's not great. All right, because that is reducing the chances of that. So at this point of time, as you can see, we found resistance at 55 cents. To me, it looks more likely, also taking into consideration that this is one of those moves of a coin just being listed on a major exchange. I think it's more likely we'll drop down to that 48 cents level, find some support there, but that we would afterwards drop down to 44 cents, find some support there again, and then drop down to probably around 40 cents. All right, to me that just seems like the most likely scenario. Usually when those coins got listed on exchanges, this is the type of move you'd get. Now we are in a bear market and the market is pretty bearish today. So this seems to be the most likely scenario for the next couple of days. There's one exception to that rule, and that's very important. All right, so I think this is the most likely scenario, but there's one exception, and that is that if we can actually stay above 48 cents for the next 12 hours, then I think we can actually get that move up to 58 cents, and then this would all come down from 58 cents, I think, because I am still expecting this big drop. But then at least we have gotten a little bit higher. I think breaking 58 cents at this point of time is too hard, and I don't think that's possible. Getting there is possible, but there are some strict conditions. So yeah, that's basically my take on STG, or Stargate Finance, for now. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.